What direction is martial arts headed in the next 10 years? I don't know if I like what I'm seeing. Let's talk about it right now. Let me give you a big picture of how martial arts got started. Martial arts got started by individuals that needed to protect themselves from their homes being invaded. A couple hundred years go by, martial arts gets bigger, comes to America, and then I think America, we're screwing this up, guys. We're screwing what martial arts was actually made for, and I believe for a reason. Us as Americans, we don't need to defend ourselves every day. There is still threat, and I think that's the only reason why I believe martial arts is still going as strong as it is. But what I'm hearing is all these martial arts styles in America are turning into sports styles martial arts. They've kind of eliminated all the self-defense. They've eliminated all the deadly moves that are meant to dispatch. Martial arts has become a business, and us as school owners, we need to retain students. And how do we do that? Is by turning it into a sport, by something that this style and all styles can be used in a tournament setting. Judges will judge you, and we actually get to use the style. We get to train and perform the forms, traditional weapons, sparring, stick fighting, board breaks. All those things are meant for competition. And do I think it can roll into self-defense? Yeah. I see martial arts in the next 10 years turning into sport. And I've been mulling this over for a while, and we have really softened martial arts. I mean, even the most hardcore styles have turned soft in America. I think us as students have, pretty much geared the way we want martial arts to be run. We're going into our instructor's office. We're explaining, hey, I can't do this, blah, blah, blah. We may be saying, hey, if you're not going to fix it, I'm leaving, not coming back. And then what does the instructor do but sit back and be like, well, I don't want to lose you as a student. Because us as instructors, we need students. So we kind of, okay, I'll accept that. And so every time we do that, the style softens just a tiny little bit every time an instructor lets someone get away with something. So those are just my thoughts on where I see martial arts going in the next 10 years. Give me your thoughts down in the comments. Until next time, train hard, train smart. See you then.